For starting this LaTeX, I have prepared a small PPT. With that PPT, I will show you what is the advantage of this LaTeX, then how to install the LaTeX, and what are the basic formats are available. Everything we'll discuss. So now I will share my screen so that it will be visible to you people. I hope my screen is visible to you all.
Yeah, visible, sir.
Yeah, fine. Uh, this PPT, sir. I hope my PPT is visible to you all.
Yeah, visible, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
Now PPT not visible.
Yeah, it is visible.
The title is called Word Processor for Academic and Researchers. I hope it is visible. First page of my PPT. Hello.
Yes, sir, it is visible, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Just see this PPT. So this PPT was not. I mean, it's not prepared in MS PowerPoint. It is prepared in LaTeX itself. See how beauty this LaTeX template is there. So just think, compare your PPT about Word, MS PowerPoint, and compare this type of presentation. You will come to know that what is the beauty of the LaTeX. It is called a Beamer presentation in LaTeX. So we not only for going with writing articles or thesis, we can prepare our PPTs also using LaTeX. Generally, if now you are going anywhere to present your papers in any conferences or anywhere, the people is looking for the LaTeX presentations. It's something professionalism will shows proper, the cleanness will be there. That's why most of the faculties and most of the researchers they are giving preference for LaTeX. Okay, so before going to discuss this LaTeX, first of all, we have to think or we have to understand why we need to learn LaTeX. First and foremost thing. Generally, we have if you are doing any questions or if you are solving any problems, so many WH questions will get in our mind where, what, why, like that. So my perception is that if you know why, if you solve for a particular problem, why, if you solve this question, why, so easily we can get the solution for what, where, when, all these WH questions easily we can solve. So from my perception, I'm thinking that so whenever we have a problem, so we have to solve why question. WH question is why. So when you solve this why, if you get the answer for this why, so easily we can get all the outputs, all the information for remaining rest of the WH questions. That's why I have prepared first why we want to learn this LaTeX document, LaTeX software. Okay, so generally while preparing documents, so I have listed some points to for you people. Generally while preparing will document, we will face these type of problems. First one is generally, for example, I am writing a one document. So for the document, I want to arrange what is the size of the section. If I give the one section, what is the size of that one? And inside the section, what is the font size and font color for the text? And if I'm giving any one chapters, writing in thesis, what is the chapter size? Generally in MS Word, we will give Times New Roman. We will say Times New Roman or 12 PT, 13 PT, like the size we will decide. And colors, everything we have to set. Am I right? And so, and in some next point you can see here, chapters should be started in a new page. Yes, this is absolutely, if you're writing a thesis, the chapters are generally the sections will start in a new page. So we have to go for new page. And for example, let us take, I have created 5 chapters in my thesis, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now in between, for example, I have to add one more, based on my research supervisor suggestions, I want to add one more chapter in between 2 and 3. Now what you will do, so chapter 1, chapter 2 will be there, section chapter 1, chapter 2 properly. Next, I'm in chapter 2 and 3, I'm adding one more chapter, that is a chapter 3. Now you have to change the chapter names, that is 3, 4, 5 as 4, 5, 6. I'm right. So for example, what I'm saying, so if you have 5 chapters in your thesis, okay, everything is fine. I have written 5 chapters. Now your research supervisor suggested that to add one more chapter between 2 and 3. Now if you add one more chapter between 2 and 3, now 3, 4, 5 becomes 4, 5, 6. Now you have to change the section numbers 4, 5, 6, and then inside again chapter numbers, and inside if you have sections 3.1, 3.2, everything we have to change. And while we are calling also reference, for example, in my at the end of the chapter 5th, I will recall chapter 1, I have written this one, but chapter 1 I have modified, then now this reference is gone. So these type of referencing problems will face a tricky problem in MS Word. And also the references. So it's the reference, if when you're calling, automatically if you insert any new chapter in between, automatically we will lose this reference number. So reference should be properly arranged. Why? Because we have to inform to the reviewers chapter 1 what we have mentioned, chapter 2 what we have mentioned. In chapter 2 somewhere I have written like this, we have to inform by using some reference. So references will be little problem in MS Word. Why? Because in between, if you add any new text, the sections are in between. If you add any new sections, automatically the given reference will lose. And for example, tables. I have in my first chapter, let us say I have 10 tables or 10 figures I have in chapter 1 or chapter 2 anyway. Now, what I will do, table 1, table 2, table 3, like that, you will give table numbers, right? For example, in between, if I add one more table, at the any 4 and 5 in between, any one table if I add, the rest of the table numbers I have to change. Now, once I change the table numbers or figure numbers, then automatically the table of contents also I have to change. At the starting of the piece, we have to give table of contents, right? In table 1, table 2, where is the table 1 in page, table 2 page. So table of contents creation will be very problem. And if you insert any new table or a figure in between, then again the rest of the part will be very problem to modify. Again, we have to check chapter what is the figure number, figure 5, figure 6, figure 7, like that. Accordingly we have to manage. So these problems will be very tricky to address in MS Word. Content space should be with correct page numbers, and sometimes I will add one more new page in between, automatically the page numbers will be distributed. So all these problems will be very tricky to solve in MS Word. So to address all these problems, LaTeX is the only one source for us. In LaTeX, you don't want to worry about page numbers. You don't want to worry about the sections, subsections, chapters. Does not require to remember. And also, if you just give one reference, for example, table 1 is this one. So the table, wherever you want to place, the corresponding reference easily will be displayed. We don't want to change. For example, for first I have given table 5 as my one. For example, in table 5, I have mentioned something. Now this table 5, wherever I will place, automatically if you call through the one reference table, so reference table 5, this one is automatically anywhere if you use the table 5 properly will display. It will not disturb. So these type of advantages we have in LaTeX. So LaTeX introduction. Generally LaTeX, many people will call this LaTeX. In our India, generally we'll call LaTeX, or in abroad situations they will call LaTeX. So both are same, LaTeX or LaTeX. Generally, this LaTeX is a type-specific system. It is an alternative to the MS Word. That's it. Not only alternative to the MS Word, it is an alternative to the MS PowerPoint also we can use. So how you are preparing your documents in your MS Word, or any tables, any reports, any textbooks, you are writing thesis, all these things we can work in your LaTeX. We don't want to worry about the MS Word, how they prepare the documents, how to set the question papers. Even if you conduct the quizzes also, we'll prepare, generally will be MCQs, right? For each and every question we have 4 to 5 options. Like that we can prepare MCQs also in our LaTeX. Okay. These are MS words. See, no crash and no loss of work. This is one of the biggest advantage. So if you create a LaTeX file, until unless you delete, it will never crash. It will be saved until unless if you delete. Within the less of time you can work your file. And once you write all the codes in your LaTeX, automatically immediately it will build a PDF. So you will get a PDF, you will get code also. So it will never crashes. It is very highly secured. Generally, in our MS Word, will hope you writing in mathematical equations. Many times we'll face a problems in our system. For example, I'm using MS Word 2016. Now I will write some equations and I will copy this file to take a printout. If I go for the print any printing shop anywhere, so in the printing shop, for example, he has MS Word 2013, then they will taking printout, automatically the equations will be disturbed. What you will do, generally you will convert this PDF MS Word into PDF, then you're going to take the problems and you go into the printout. So these are problems, and sometimes the Word files also will be disturbed, and sometimes if you copy paste and if you opening again, it will ask the file is only read only file, there is no possible to edit. And sometimes it will ask the Word file is protected and say secured, there is no issues, no need to open, I mean we cannot open, like that it will mention. But in LaTeX we don't want to worry about that. So easily once you prepare a LaTeX file, so until unless we delete, it will be saved, it will never crashes. and within the less time of work we can produce a beautiful outputs than MS Words. Here you can see one point I have mentioned here. LaTeX allows type settings math easily. Generally, for mathematics people, this LaTeX is very useful. Why? Because here you can see writing alpha. And if you want to display alpha symbol in LaTeX, then we have to write like this. So backslash alpha. So instead of writing this, I mean, if you, for example, if you want to produce a alpha in your MS Word, what you will do? Generally, you will go for insert, and the right side you will see the symbols. In the symbols you will see the where the alpha, you have to search where is the alpha symbol. But in LaTeX we don't want to search on all, directly we can give slash alpha. If you give slash alpha, automatically the alpha symbol will be produced in your PDFs. So it is very easy, right? Instead of searching for alpha symbol, so you directly you can type your symbols, automatically you will get alpha symbol in your PDFs. And let's see here you can see I have given one example x y cap. So this y cap, so we have to search for cap in your MS Word. Again same, we have to go for symbols or math menu. Then in the math menu we have to take a cap symbol, in the box we'll get, and in the box you have to enter y, like that. But here we don't want to write, just cap. If you write a slash cap, then you will automatically will get the cap of the letter. So okay. Now, so these are the many advantages are there. So once you will start the introduction part, so easily you will understand how the what is the advantage of LaTeX. On. So now I'm sharing this how to install and what are the files are required to install your LaTeX. So generally, if you want to install LaTeX, two softwares we have to install. One is MikTeX. Here you can see the spelling of the MikTeX. Okay, MikTeX. So MikTeX is a software required to run our LaTeX. It is a main file which will work background for our LaTeX. Okay, so this file you have to install MikTeX, and along with the MikTeX, here I have given some web links for downloading the MikTeX. I will show you in the website also directly. We don't want to remember this web links, or we don't want to copy these web links. Directly we can search in our Google. I will show you. So this MikTeX is a very very important file which will run background. Okay, so basing on this MikTeX, will have some word processors. I mean editors. Like MS Word, we have editors. I will show these are the editors. So one file is MikTeX. We have to install that MikTeX. So that will work background to us. And now where we will work on editors. So that editors are nothing but these are the editors. One is TechMaker, Technic Center, Windshell, TechWorks, Lick. So these are the editors. We can install any editor to work on MikTeX. So first we have to install MikTeX. After installing MikTeX, then we have to install any one editor is fine. So generally, most of the people will prefer TechMaker because of for TechMaker we have help functions are all already available in our Google. Easily we can learn. Okay, TechMaker. This editor will require to run our LaTeX. That is MikTeX. So we all our commands will work on these editors only. Any one editor you can install. Okay, generally I'm using TechMaker. Okay, so this is offline TechMaker or editors, which means that so you have to install the laptop and the MikTeX. Then once installed, you have to take any one TechMaker for your support to write your codes editors. No, sir, I don't want to take like this offline. If I have, I will go online. Okay, for example, if I go for any conferences, I have to copy my source file. I have to take that there, and then there in the system I have to run. Otherwise, what the PDF is producing here, I will take. Generally, what you will do, you will copy your PDFs and you will go to the conference. There you will present. But suddenly, if you want to change the PDF, it is very difficult, right? What you generally we will do, we'll copy this entire source file, LaTeX source file, and we'll take to the conference hall, and there will connect. If with no corrections, directly we can produce, we can show our PDF. If you want to do any corrections, then again we have to ask them to install LaTeX in their systems, and there we have to run our source file. Then we have to modify. This is very big process. No problems. It takes time. No, sir, I don't want to do like this. Like our Gmail, I have user ID password, and I will go anywhere, any system. I will just with my user ID password, I will run my LaTeX. Means you can run. These are one of the biggest advantage. That is called online editor. That is called Overleaf. Share LaTeX or Overleaf, both are same. Which these two are the online editors. Very very useful. We people are also using Overleaf only. Why? Because offline it takes time. I mean, installation process will be there, and sometimes our system will get slow because of the load of the softwares. Okay, these problems will get. It is on offline also. But nowadays, most of the institutions, we are getting Wi-Fi connections, internet connections. So on easily we can work on our online. One of the biggest advantage of online is nothing but we don't want to save our files. Automatically, the files will be saved in our user ID pass in our credentials. And what are the projects you are opening? Automatically will be saved. Anywhere, any situations, we can download our PDFs. We can change our source files wherever you want, whatever you want. You can do one thing. That is one of the biggest advantage. And one more thing also, one advantage of this online editor is nothing but sometimes while doing some codes, generally we will do mistakes. But in offline LaTeX, if there is any mistake, single mistake also, the LaTeX file will not run. It will stop. It will not compile. Automatically, it will stop. So that is the problem in offline LaTeX. But in our, if you're going to online, even one or two are manageable errors, it will execute. It will ask, sir, this in this situation, you have error. You have to modify that error. Because of that error, I'm ignoring that line. Rest of the lines are exiting. Okay, but in now offline, it will not execute. If error is identified, until unless we solve that error, it will not run. It will not show the entire PDF. But in offline, online, even if your one or two errors are available, it will manage so that errors will not show. Rest of the document will be displayed. That is the one advantage in online LaTeX. So I will suggest to you people, if you want to learn your LaTeX from starting onwards, you can use offline. No, sir. With some help of internet, I will go with using overlap. Means you can go. Why? Because overlap we don't want to remember the codes. It will suggest. For example, I want to create an article. Just if you search, if you log in and if you take a new file, automatically it will suggest. It will create one file. We don't want to worry about that. But in offline, we have to type each and every comment. That is also one advantage. I will show you both you peoples which one is best for you. So you choose accordingly. I hope many viewers will definitely they will choose online. Why? Because offline somewhat we have to remember the code, but in offline we don't want to remember us. Automatically by default it will generate. Okay, so I will show you both. So this is just introduction. Basics of LaTeX will go. First, I will show you how to install and how it will work. Okay, sir. I hope my concept you are getting. Hello.
Yes, sir, we are getting.
Yeah, yeah. See, I will show you. One is MidTech. So MidTech download for Windows. Just you search your MidTech that file. That's it. We don't want any MB, 32 bit or like this. Generally, automatically it will by default it will come. So MidTech download for Windows. Just search like this. So first website itself, it will take the MidTech. See, getting MidTech. Just click this one. It will take to the MidTech original website. Now here you can see this download. If it is your Windows of system, you can download. If it is Mac, Linux, accordingly we can select. So mine is Windows. Just if I click this Windows, automatically it will be downloaded. Already I have downloaded. That's why I'm not showing this download part. So just download it. See, I already have downloaded here. Extra I have mentioned, right? So basic MidTech. This is a file already I have downloaded just a few minutes back. So I'm not installing again. So this is one way, one thing we have to install getting MidTech. And one more thing is TechMaker. TechMaker for Windows. TXMAKER. TechMaker for Windows. So first the XM1 math. Here you can see this website. So this website, if you go there, automatically you will get TechMaker download option. Yes. So here you can mention free download is there, right? So Windows, Mac, Linux, everything is same. Just click this free download. So you will get TechMaker. Otherwise, it will ask one more thing. I'll check. Yeah, it is asking TechMaker free download. So here you can see it. Don't go for right side Max OS and all. So our generally will use Windows, right? So just click this TechMaker 6.0.0. So this is a newly updated version. Just click this one. So automatically it will download. So already I have installed this too. Okay, I have downloaded this too. Just if you download, it will get it wherever you want. You can download. Okay. So once you download these two files, so you have to do installation. So here you can see just basic MidTech. So if you double click on this one, automatically you know how to install the software. So it will ask permissions. Just give all the permissions, and so finally you just finish the document. So it will be installed. And TechMaker also same. Once you install this MikTech, then you have to go for TechMaker. Don't install TechMaker first and call MikTech. MikTech is a starting step we have to install. Why? Because this will be work on background for our TechMaker. So if you are installing direct TechMaker and then you are installing basic MikTech means it will not support sometimes. Keep this in mind, your minds. So first we have to install MikTech. Okay, once you say like this, you will get options. Just going next, next, next. So automatically will install. Already I have installed. Don't change any options here. So directly go for next, next, next. Automatically it will install. It will take time, 5 to 10 minutes. So finally you will get the finish button option. So just click the finish, then it will install. That is one MikTech. So after installing MikTech, just go for TechMaker. Now TechMaker also same thing. It will ask permissions. Just give the all permissions, accept the license, and just once you give the permissions, it will it will install. Then finally finish this TechMaker installation. Okay. So once you finish this both installation, then you can go here. So you can search in our system. Already TechMaker is installed. So just I'm taking searching TechMaker. We don't want to touch about basic MikTech. MikTech we don't want. Why? Because MikTech automatically background will work once we are running TechMaker. Okay. So our work everything will depends on TechMaker. So TechMaker I have installed. Just I'm clicking this TechMaker. So once we will open, so it will open the software TechMaker. Yeah, here you can see in my desktop. Here you can see tech maker, the symbol tech maker. Okay, so like this you will get one shortcut key on desktop also. So just open this one. You will get the tech maker window. It's opening. Just a minute. File size will be little size is very, I mean little bigger. So I think it is 106 MB something is there. So it takes time to run. That's why it is asking. So this is also one of the disadvantage. Sometimes our systems will get slow to run this tech makers. Fine. Yeah, it is open. Tech maker. uh, will wait to open until it opens. I'm trying to open. So this is one offline. By the time we'll discuss about the online editor. Okay, how the online editor will work. So by the time, okay, why we need to wait for the until and open that offline latex. Okay, so this is one offline. I will show you once it opens. So if you can use online also, online editor is overleaf or share latex, both are same. So you can use overleaf. It is opened. Okay, yes, we've opened. So we'll discuss this offline, then we'll go for online. Okay, so this once you open this text file, it will show like this. We don't want to depends on basic mid text. That mid text will work background to this tech maker. Okay, so once you open this tech maker software, once you open this one, so this will show like this window. So in this, just go for new one. You can see here in the file menu, you can go file menu or click on new or control N is the shortcut key. Otherwise, you can use this plus symbol. This plus symbol will be the new document creation. So once I click this one, automatically you are getting one new blank file that is untitled. So you can give the title for your LaTeX documents. Generally, it will show first one is it shows untitled, and left side you can see the structures. These are the some options, menu options. So you see here, for example, if I click this symbol, automatically you are getting all mathematical symbols. See delta, union, interjunctions, plus or minus, minus or plus. All these options you are getting like MS Word. See, if you click this one, automatically that code will display there. Otherwise, you can see this while placing the cursor itself, the automatically the prompt is showing /mp. /mp is nothing but minus plus. See, for example, if I click this one, here you are getting see plus PM. This is called plus or minus. If you want to display this plus or minus symbol in your LaTeX, you have to use /PM. It's a code. Don't think that, sir, why we have to remember the codes and all. The codes are, it is in our usual words only, don't worry. So 1 or 2 days if you practice, automatically you will understand the beauty of LaTeX. Okay, PM like this star you want divided by, so like many options are there. The Greek letters alpha, beta. See, for example, if I click the alpha, so you are getting alpha. So no need to search here, directly if you remember /alpha, ALPHA. So if you create if you type like this, automatically you will get alpha symbol in your LaTeX. Okay. So instead of going to use all these symbols, first we have to inform the LaTeX, sir, I'm going to create one article. So this article is having this much size and this is the font style. What this is my title and this is my author and this is abstract and this is I'm going to begin our document. Like that, we have to inform to the tech maker. So this is I'm going to create. So for example, if you want to create any basic document in your LaTeX, first line itself we have to mention what type of class, either you are going to create an article or a book or this, we have to inform to the LaTeX. To inform that to LaTeX, we have to use the first line code is /document class. See, once I type 1 or 2 words, automatically the corresponding codes are getting in the cursor. So just enter. Yes, we got this one /document class. So slash is nothing but it is a command. So if you write any one command or any type of mathematical symbols, if you're using LaTeX, we are informing that I'm using some command. That command is indication with /. Okay, so /document class. What type of class I'm going to use? If you want to mention any options in the square brackets, you can mention. No, sir, I don't want to mention. Just I'm going to create one article. You can make directly use article. So I'm going to use one article. I'm going to create. Starting, I'm creating article. So later we'll go for books. Later we'll go for chapters, later pieces, everything I will discuss. Okay. So first document class, I'm doing one article. So for example, here I'm giving some options. For example, I want A4 paper. Generally we will write in A4 paper our article. So A4 paper, for example, I want 12 pt of my document. Just I have mentioned A4 paper 12 pt of my article. Okay, so once I create this document class, then I want to give some title of my document. So /title. So now if I type this word, automatically you are getting prompt. Okay, /title. Now in the title, for example, I'm going to use introduction to LaTeX. Yes, introduction to LaTeX I'm giving. Okay, so this is okay, fine. Next, for example, who is author? So author. For example, let us take author. I'm the author. So am I giving my name? And for example, I want to give my institution. So you can use double slash. This double slash indicates the new line. Keep it in mind. So this double slash in LaTeX will always indicate the new line. So my name should be there. Then after my name, my address will be there. No, institutional address, application. For example, let us say Department of Mathematics. Yes, Department of Mathematics. Let us say I want one more line. Let us say in the double slash again, VIT AP University. Yes, this is I want. I don't want the rest of the things. Okay. So this is a preamble of the document. Preamble is nothing but before executing the document, this is the things we have used. Sometimes you need to use some packages also. Use package. So one command we have to use package. So sometimes it will ask to use some packages to run some particular codes. Okay, I will show you all these things. I'm going to create some basic document. Okay, so before beginning the document, all these things are nothing but preamble. Preamble, right? For writing any textbooks, we'll give some preamble that is preface. Okay, like this. We are arranging the preamble. Now I'm going to use my one document that is called begin document. So begin document. Yes. Now you can see this is your general file we are going to use in LaTeX. So begin document, end document. In between, all our text should be there. In the preamble, we have to mention, generally you can mention title, author or institution or date you want, you can mention the date, these things only. And if you want to use any one packages for a particular to run any one particular command, you can mention all packages names before the begin document. Once you enter the begin document, end document, here your text should be there. Okay, for example, in the begin document, end document, I will give. So today we are discussing about introduction to LaTeX, right? Yes. We are going to discuss, I'm going to just give, we are going to discuss uh, about LaTeX today. It's simple. We are going to discuss about LaTeX. This is my file. Just now, whatever things you want to give paragraphs, you want to write your mathematical symbols, all these things we have to write within this begin document, end document. After end document, if you write the codes, it will not execute. It will show the error. Okay, that is you have to keep in mind. Okay, now yes, for example, I have created one basic document here. Okay, now here one more command I forget. So here we have given title and author, right? So this is before the begin document. We have to call this title and author inside the begin document. Why? Because in the document itself, in the document only, we'll have all our text. So to call this author, what I'm doing / make title. Yes. So this is meaning of this / make title is nothing but, sir, in the preamble, I have given title and author all these details. The details you have to print in your begin document. So that's why I'm calling / make title. I'm going to make my title for my document. So this is generally basic starting Word LaTeX document in your LaTeX. So once you want, if you, for example, if you want to get the output in if you want to run this one, so first you have to save your file. Here my file is untitled. You can see the star. The star indicates nothing but the file is not saved. Okay. So if you want to execute this one, first you have to save your file. Without saving, it will not execute. So now I'm going to save this file. Let us say Control S is a shortcut key. We can save. Otherwise, here you can see the option, save options. So you can save. For example, I'm going to save my file. Let us take somewhere I will in any one PDF I will FDP. So let us say FDP CSR college I'm discussing. Let us say one sample document. Let's say let us say sample one, and just I have given one name sample one. Okay, just save this one. Yeah, once I save this one, here you can see this sample one dot text. Here you can see the name of the document. Now you can run your LaTeX code easily. You can get the output. So if you want to run this one, you can see here one option is there, one arrow. Quick build is there, right? So before the quick build, here you can option arrow. If you click this one, automatically the code will compile first. If you have any error in this code, the errors will be shown here and the output will be come here. See, I will click here. You are careful observe. Yes, once I click this one, it is loading. Here you can see the process is started. Okay, so if you have any errors here, it is showing. See, major issues so far there are no any type of issues. See, here you can see your output. Introduction to LaTeX. My name Sivaji, Department of Mathematics, VIT University. By default, you are getting a date. So December 2nd, 2024. And now we are going to discuss about LaTeX. It's a basic document. You don't want to arrange in the center of the title. You don't want to arrange your appreciation, all these things in the center. Don't want. By default, automatically, title should be in the center. Yes, we got title in center. And our appreciation will be in the center. Automatically, we got. If you want to change, you can change to left or right. But this LaTeX by default it will consider LaTeX means article means generally will have article title will be in the mid center of the central element only, right? That's why automatically we are getting central element. Why? Because here we have mentioned article. The document class is article. So this is the commands we have to write in your offline. But if you go for online editor, these commands automatically will create. We don't want to worry about that. See, I will show you online also. This is offline LaTeX. Now, if you once you save this file, see here I have saved this file. Just you can close this one automatically. You don't want to download. See here you have this PDF, right? You don't want to download. Automatically the source files and everything will be saved. See, I will show you. Going to the my actual browser, actual desktop. So where I have saved in FDP. So in the under the FDP, I have mentioned CSR College, right? CSR College Kadapa. So just I have mentioned. See here here you can see the college. Sample one. It is a LaTeX source file and corresponding TeXmaker MikTeX file. This one background MikTeX file automatically it is running, and sample one this PDF automatically you are getting the outputs. This is called sample one. Your output what we executed here. So here we got right. And this is the output we got, right? This output file PDF automatically saved here. See sample one. Here you can see the preview. In sample one, what is there? Introduction letter. This output automatically be saved. We don't want to download. And this is called AUX files, and these two files are automatically generated by MikTeX. Okay, if you want to run this source file in any other system, then you have to copy all these values, all these files. So you want to save this sample one, along with you have to copy this syntax file, AUX file, and sample one. All these files you have to take to run in any other system. Directly you are taking only sample one. If you execute, it will not execute. That is one thing we have to remember in a LaTeX, offline LaTeX. Okay. Otherwise, so we'll go with online. This many people will like this online. So just I'm typing online editor, right? Sir, I hope you understand what I'm doing.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Sir, excellent, sir, excellent.
Yeah. See, now I'm going with online. So online, what is the code overlay? See, here you can see in my bookmark, already I have saved some many browsers. Among this first one is overlay. Why? Because many times I will work with the overlay. My student will do some research works. I will do some my research works, and I'm working for one of the editor for a particular journal. So many times the journals articles are coming. I want to do the format, all this. That's why automatically I have marked as a bookmark overlay. If you click this overlay, automatically it will open. Otherwise, directly in your systems, it is new, right, for you. So just go with overlay, overleaf.com. Just if you open this browser, automatically you will get this type of window. See, overleaf, online LaTeX editor we are getting. This is the overleaf document. You will get this open browser. Here you can see sign up with Google. You have Gmail accounts. You can use your Gmail credentials for your credentials of overleaf. No, sir, I will use my own. I will create some new list. You can create your new mail, password, everything. Okay. I'm not creating here because already I have created many accounts for my overleaf. Okay. So directly I'm not going to sign up. I'm going to log in. Okay. So just I'm clicking login. So here I was asking login overleaf. You can use your own Google ID, I mean Google Gmails. Otherwise, sometimes in researchers, if you are any researchers, you will have RCIDs and IEEE accounts also you can open. So see here, I have many accounts are there. So Shivaji, G Shiva, Vinkani, we are Chats Guru, all many accounts I'm using. Okay, for example, latest basically I will go my own first one is gshiva.pandi. This is the original mail. I mean, from starting days onwards, I'm using. Just I'm going with this credentials. Just if you click login, everyone will get the same window only. Don't think of that my credentials will have some other credentials will have some other. Not like that. See, this is the LaTeX. I mean, overleaf main web page. So under my account, so this is my account. So I have gco.pondi uni. This is my mail ID. Under my mail ID, I have this account. Now in this account, left side you can see new project, all projects, your projects, shared with you, archived projects, trashed, deleted projects, like this. If you want to save, if you want to create a new folders, you can create new folders and you can save your projects. Project is nothing but your articles. Either it is an article, thesis, PowerPoint, whatever it may be. We in this overlay we are calling project. Okay. See here already I have created many projects, many things I have worked. See here you can see almost 95 projects I have created. You can see show all projects. This is under only one account is my personal account. But if you go for my editor, general editor account, almost it has thousand more than thousand projects are there. Okay, because daily we are working. Here as you can see, if you open anything, automatically it will be saved. See these files here. You can see Srinu MAT 1011. It is a one lab manual I'm creating. So this lab manual I don't want to carry to anywhere. Now I know credentials. Any system I can take, I can open my projects and I can edit directly. And what are the outputs? Directly I can download. So this is very comfortable. We don't want to carry always. Okay. Now for you people, if you are opening this line, if you log in, directly you will get a blank one here. You will not get any projects here because you are starting right. So in this situation, you just go here, new project. If you click new project, it is asking blank project or example project you want or upload project. Like this, many options are there. Templates also there. Journal templates. Sometimes the journals will have by default some templates. Right? IEEE Access will have separate template. Like the different journals elsewhere publishers have some journals, or by default already some templates are there. I will show the templates also how to edit the templates. Okay, that is important for you viewers. Books, form letters, assignments, posters, presentations, reports, curriculum vitae if you want to decide. If you want to decide a thesis, all templates are available. You can choose any particular template. If you are going for journal articles, number of bunch of templates are there. Among that, you can choose any one journal template. Okay. As of now, we are going with the blank project, and I want to discuss this option also, upload project. This is important for us. Why? Because, for example, let us take, I want to communicate my paper to the Journal of Statistics and Journal of Biostatistics and Epidemiology. It is one of the Journal of Biostatistics and Epidemiology. Let us take a simple journal. Now I want to submit an article to this journal. What we will do? Generally, we'll go for a journal main web page. In the journal web page, we'll see the guidelines, how to prepare a document. There they will give their guidelines. This is the font size should be there. This is the size of the document will should be there. This many pages, whether it's a double binded or single column. Like that, they will give some guidelines. At the end, they will mention if you want use Word file or if you can use the template of the LaTeX file. They will provide the LaTeX template. So, do you want to show that like the templates, or can I directly follow? Hello.
Sir, please show, sir.
I will show you. Now let us take any one journal I will take. Mm, Journal of Biostatistics and Epidemiology MS Word. Let us take communications. Here you can see communications, statistics, case studies, and data analysis. One journal is there. It is a Taylor and Series publisher. Recently, I have published my paper. That's why I got this idea.
Sir, sorry,
Let
sir.
us.
Someone has raised the question, raised their
Yes,
hands.
sir. May I know, sir, what is the question? I'm not watching that.
No, just they raised the hand.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, ma'am, Nagakshmi madam, you can speak.
Madam.
Okay, please continue.
Okay,
Hello.
you carry on, sir.
Sorry, sir.
You carry on, sir. They have not said. Okay.
Okay. Okay. See, I'm opening one journal, Communication Statistics, Case Studies and Data Analysis. It's a Taylor and publication. Generally, what we'll do, if you want to submit an article to this one, generally we'll go for submit an article instead of going this instruction for authors. So, how to prepare the documents, everything will be there. No, so I'm going for instructions. Here you can see all the contents, how the about journals, how it will be open, and the I want to prepare a document. Here you can see preparing your paper structure, how paper should be there, word limit, how much, style guidelines, everything is there, right? Here you can see formatting and templates. They are asking one is a Word file, either you can create using Word document, Word template, otherwise one is a LaTeX template. You just click this LaTeX template, the template will be downloaded in a zip folder format. Okay, so it is downloading. Yes.
हेलो हेलो गुड आफ्टरनून सर।
Yes, madam.
सर क्या ये लास्ट पीडीएफ सेंड कर देंगे आप?
Madam, I'm not getting. Your voice is too low.
सर लास्ट में जब सेशन एंड होगा क्या पीडीएफ प्रोवाइड करवाई जाएगी हमें रिकॉर्डेड
Madam,
सेशन?
I'm not
Madam,
understanding.
don't worry. I will send the recorded session. No problem. I will send you. No problem.
अच्छा ओके सर
Okay,
ओके।
thank you.
Okay.
Okay, sir. You
See,
can
I'm
sir.
downloading this template. Okay. Yes, I have downloaded this template. And now, there we can see this in the downloads here. It is downloading. Now we'll go for overlay. See here. Here you can write instead of going blank project, upload project. Why? Because I want to communicate a paper to the Journal of Communication Statistics and Case Studies. Now they have given one template. In the template, we have to prepare our article. Okay, right? So now I have downloaded this the template that is in zip folder. Okay, generally all templates will be in the zip folder only. Okay, so now I will take this zip folder to here. Either you can select, other directly you can drag. So I'm dragging that zip folder to my overlay. Just once I drag, automatically it will be run. You can see here. Yes, the code is running. Their template I'm opening. I'm not creating any new document. See, left side you can see all their files. These are the files required to run this document. Okay, and this is the code. Okay, where we are working, and this is an output. Three windows will be displayed this overlay. One is all the files what we have, what is available in this zip folder. All these things will be there, and this is general outline of your output, and this is the editor. So what is our what the codes we are doing, and this is an output. As of now I will close this one, just clicking here. Yes, this is closed. Now see here, this is the template of your journalist communication statistics and case studies data analysis. So this is the template. Now what you will do, you click double click on any line, the corresponding code will take. You don't want to worry about the preamble. See here you can see they mentioned document class interact. Interact is nothing but it is a one of the source file they have created. We don't want to worry about it. So we don't want to touch all these things. No need. So directly we can see here Taylor and France. This is the title, right? Just you double click on here. Here you can see this symbol arrow marks, left and right arrow marks. If you click here, automatically this will be load. See if I double click on here, now see it is loading and it is taking to the here. Yes, 39 is cursor is moving. Why? Because of this code, this line is executing. In the starting, I said that make title. It is coming under the begin document before preamble. I mean after the preamble. Now this make because this make title, this command is out. This line is out displaying. Now we'll go there. Where is this output tailor and fans generally? Here you can see title. Okay, we don't want to do anything, just copy this entered title, just delete, and you will give your own title. What is your article is having? For example, my article is having estimation of AUC. Yes, I have given. Now if you want to run here like in offline, same command arrow mark is not available, but same run file is there. Here you can see recompile. If you click this one, this code will be compiled and displayed here. And here you can see this orange color 18. These are all called allowable errors. When you are getting this type of orange color, this is orange color is nothing but that there are some mistakes, there are some errors in this template, but I'm allowing. Don't worry about it. But if you are getting a red color errors, the red color is must ensure you have to take some remedy to reduce that red color. Okay, I will show you all these things. Don't worry about it. Just I'm showing how templates will work. Now here I have given title estimation of AUC. Just click here recompile. Either you can click a recompile, either you can use shortcut key control yes, that is save. Either you can use control enter. Control enter is a running the file. Control save is also saving the file. Otherwise, using cursor, I'm clicking this R compile. Okay, recompile. So once I click this on, it is recompiling. Now once I recompile, so the code is again executed. Now here you can see the title estimation of AUC. Now I don't want these authors. My name I have to give. So name here they mentioned. So I will remove all these names. Just I will give my name Shivaji. Yes. Now again I will go for recompile. Either you can do recompile at a time. Otherwise you can change all the codes and you can do at a time. No issues. However you want you can follow. I'm doing one line by line. That's why I'm saying I can clearly observe. Now here I executed. My name is God. Like that, we peoples will work. We will not create our own templates. Generally, to communicate to any journal, we'll search in the journal whether the template is available or not. So once we have a template, we will download and we will load into our R file, our overlay, or in original LaTeX. So just we'll execute a basic template. Their output will get. Now in that output, so where the words we want to change, that words we will change in the editor. That's it. Now if you want to get the out enter PDF, just click here, download PDF. If you download, if you click this one, automatically your file will be downloaded. Okay. Now I'm going back. Either you can go for a home button, otherwise you click back. Just I'm clicking home button. Just I'm going back. Now see here, I did not save, am I right? But automatically this online editor will be saved. What are the files, what are the modifications you will do, automatically it will be saved. Now we can see this title of that one. Taylor Francis LaTeX template for authors. This is the template you have opened recently, you have worked on this. Again, if you want to do modifications, just click this one. Again, it will go to the overlay your document. Now again you are getting same outputs. Just close this one. If you want, you can change. Yes, I'm closing. Next, same. What are the outputs? What are the modifications I did? That modifications are carrying here by default saving. If you want to change your title of your document, just click this one. See here, if you go for title, here you will get one pencil color. Rename. Just click this one. Now you can give, for example, first document. First document. That's it. If you click here anywhere, automatically the document is saved. Now again, I'm going back. Now your file name is changed. See, first document. Like that, you can create your own. You can take the down templates from the online. Then you can create your own article. Now I don't want this first template. Just I'm selecting here. Now you can see here, delete option last. Either you can delete, you can archive. Otherwise, only PDF. That output without opening this document, this source file. If you want PDF, directly you can click this PDF. The inside what the PDF we executed last time, that will be downloaded. Otherwise, you can download entire zip folder like what we got right from the online. So like that, if you want to download this one, you can download entire zip file. You can share to anybody. Generally, this source file also we have to upload in our communication while communicating to any journal. And this is called copying. Again, I want to duplicate copy. If you want, you can make duplicate copy by giving different name. Okay. Now I will delete this one. I don't want this one. Just I'm confirming. Yes. If you delete also, that will go in a trashed project. Okay. It will store at least 30 days. Minimum 30 days it will store. You can recall also. No need to worry about it. Now I'm going to take first one is blank project. Okay. A new project, blank project. I want it. Now once you click this blank project, here you have to give what is the title of your project. So what we have created in our offline sample we have created, right? For example, let us say here I'm going to use one new file that is a sample article. Let us say sample article. This is my title. Just I'm creating one document. Yes, sample created. I have created. It is a overlay loading. See here you can see this left side main text. This is a text file. Okay, this text file is nothing but this one. Wait, it is loading. Wait. Now here you can see sample one is the right. Here you can see this. Here you can see that I think my window is opening here, displaying to you. Sample one. It is a text file. It's a LaTeX document. The extension is TX. This is the file. Same file here. This one, main.tex. A text file is nothing but source file, editor file. Okay, same in the offline it is showed. It is default. It is showing here only. Okay. Now see here in the offline we have entered all these values, right? Slash document class, that is article, use package. They are using some package to display some graphics. Okay. Title, sample article. This is title is by default what we are giving title. The same title is taking sample title. Author, this is my mail ID. So by default it is taking as g7.20 and date December 2024. Okay. Begin document, end document, in between, make title is given. Automatic section is also created. See how much easy we have online. So we don't want to remember all this codes. But in our offline, see here offline, what the codes we have written, the same codes for the blank document also is given. Overlay. That's why many people will prefer overlay. But the disadvantage of this overlap is nothing but we will not learn the codes. Why? Because already it is available. Many people say, sorry, it is already available. Why I have to remember this document class, package, title, and this? And if you go for online, automatically it will be there. Yeah, this is okay. But I'm saying that if you want to learn each and every line, then I mean, you have to remember what the LaTeX actually. Then you have to go for offline so that you will learn, you will remember the codes. But if you're choosing directly online, you will not remember these things. Directly you will use already by default it is coming. Why I have to remember? Okay, these things. Okay, I hope it is understand. I hope you understand this one. So just if you click recompile, it will come. Now again I will do one thing. So I don't want to this title. So introduction to LaTeX, something. Introduction to LaTeX. Yes, LaTeX, and I will give my name. Same how I created, and I will give date. I don't want any date. Let us say the date. Otherwise, I want today date. Let us say today. Yes. Okay, fine. Now I will recompile. Yeah, it is asking one error. Yeah, you can see here. Red color you are getting one dot. Am I right? You just click this one. You can see LaTeX error missing begin document in the main line 6. Where the in which line the actual error is there, it will show. In the 6th line there is an error. Yes, slash today is not a code to run your LaTeX. Okay, so go with date slash today. Leave it. I don't want today also. Blank I will take. You will get. Why we had it today? Yes, now errors are not there. Errors are gone. Now we are getting introduction to LaTeX, Shivaji, first section introduction. So here you can see introduction for giving section. I did not discuss, I did not give any 1 or 2 digits. I mean enumerate I have not mentioned one, section 2 like that. Section numbers I have not given. Automatically by default section I got. So for example, let us take, I will give one more section. Let us take section. Yes, section I got. Now let us take generally after say introduction will give methodology, right? Methodology. Now I will give I will go back. Now I will give one more section. So like this I'm getting. So see here you can, once I enter the words, automatically the corresponding what are the codes are available with the words starting, it will be displayed. Okay, slash section. I want this one. For example, numerical. Let us say I will get conclusion. Conclusion. And finally I will give one reference slash reference. Yes, let us take section. I will give section references. Now you know, so section 1 introduction is 1, 2, 3, 4 sections. Okay, so now I will recompile or control enter, you will get the document. See, section 1 introduction, section 2 methodology, section 3 conclusion, section 4 is reference. Now I remember, so here I will give some text also. For example, let us say randomly I will enter some text. Okay, here also I will enter some text randomly. Okay, leave it, and some references I will give mention like this. Okay, yes, fine. This is the documents. Now I will recompile again. Now we will see this what the document we are getting. Yes, so introduction, methodology, conclusions we got. Now by seeing after looking this one, I thought I forget that to mention in one section is numerical illustrations. Generally examples we have to take, right, for our article. Once we develop methodology, we have to give some numerical illustrations, right, either simulation study or real data sets. Now I have to include one section between methodology and conclusion. Now what you will do, methodology's conclusion between, I will create one section. Let us say section. Yes, section. Now I'm giving numerical illustrations. If I give this one, automatically section numbers will be adjusted. We don't want to worry about that. See here. See, section 1, section 2, section 3 is numerical illustration. Now section 4 is conclusion. But in the Word file, we have to change. 4 also we have to change because earlier it was 3. Now we have to change it to 4. It was 5. Now we have to change it to 5. But here we don't want to remember the section numbers. Automatically will take. Now in section numerical illustrations, I have two subsections. One is real data set, one is simulation study. Now what I have to do, again slash subsection, not section, subsection. Under the section we have subsection. Okay, subsection. One is, let us say, real data set. Real data sets. Next, one more thing I will take, slash subsection. subsection. What you, for example, what we will take simulation study. Yes. Now we run this one. You will understand. See here. 3.1 real data sets. 3.2 simulation study. Easy. Under again subsection, I want you one more subsection. Let us say subsection. Subsection. You don't want to remember code also, but it is general words. Generally, we'll call this as a section, and under this as a section, we have subsections. Again, subsection, we have subsections. Just with our usual words, we can remember the codes. Now, I'm going to give subsection under real data set. Let us say data set 1. I have used 2 data sets. Now, I will give one more subsection. Just I will copy paste. I don't want to enter copy, and I will paste here. Data set I will give subsection 2. Now, I will run this one. Here see, real data set 3.1, first section 3, real data 3.1, again subset 3.1.1, 3.1.2, like that. Otherwise, if you want to give here in Word file, we have to change this one, sections all. So this will be the problem in words. So, but in LaTeX, we don't want to worry about it. Sir, I hope you understand the basic document. Am I right?
Sir, excellent, sir.
Yeah, fine. So this is general documents we will create. Okay. Now we'll go with one by one, little advanced, not much advanced, basic comments we'll see. Okay. You can ask one more question also. Sir, in offline, if I go, for example, I want to enter alpha. Here all the options are available, sir. Can I click here? For example, here, see, we are going to discuss about LaTeX I have given, right? Now I will give double slash, backslash. It is going to new line. Let us say I want one more new line. Now I will give here. Let us say I will enter alpha. That is, I have clicked this one. Already we got the code is /alpha. Okay. Now I will build this one. It is code running. It is loading. It is process is started. Compilation. Yeah, it's a major issue. So far we have not checked. Okay. It is getting error something. Line 11, line 12, line 11 and line 12, missing inserted symbol. This one. What is this is nothing but whenever you are using mathematical symbols or mathematical equations, we have to inform to the LaTeX, sir, I am going using this is as a mathematical symbol. So please, we have to inform to them by how you are going to inform is nothing but by using dollar symbol. So before dollar, after dollar, we have to keep for any comment, which means that we are informing to the LaTeX. So here, see, we are going to discuss about it. This is general text, but alpha is a not text, right? It is a mathematical symbol we are going to create, right? That's why we have to inform to the LaTeX that we are giving some one mathematical symbol. So how we are going to inform is using this dollar symbol, open dollar, close dollar, which means that this is nothing but it is a mathematical symbol. Okay, that is the error is asking. Now I will reload. So we'll check that what the yes, there are no errors. Here you can see this document. Alpha is displayed. I hope it is visible. Alpha is created. Okay, just typing alpha, you're getting alpha. So like this you can ask, sir, here all options are available. If I click beta, I will get beta. If I click gamma, I will get delta. So these are the options are available. Like these symbols, if instead of writing, is there available? Is there an option available in overleaf also? Yes, it is available. So here see, you can see, here you can see the toggle symbols, right? If you click these symbols, automatically you are getting all symbols. God. Subscription to find the symbols you need faster. Here we don't want. Insert map. Inline map. I don't want. Yeah, wait. Symbols, it is asking for subscription. Then only it is coming. Okay, generally for my thing, it will come. It is mine only, right? Why it is not coming? Actually, I have used the symbols. It is asking for subscription. LaTeX, if you want more advantages from the LaTeX, we need to subscribe. But generally, as of now, I never face any situation to get a subscription. All codes, all the templates is working for me. Okay, don't worry. I don't want to worry about it. So this is a symbol. This is an option to get a symbols like how you get in LaTeX offline. See here, it is, but here it is showing subscription. Okay, forget, leave it. But generally, this is an option will be available to get this type of symbols. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I will go here. Let us take, I will write type here. Under section, let us take, I will go here. Let us take in section 1, I'm going to use one more advantage I want to forget to show you. If I click this one symbol, we can shift to the tabs. So if you click this, click to show file here. If I click, you can click here, right? So now you are getting this window. Now in this window, here all our files will be stored, and for your document editor, what are the table of contents you have created, the sections, subsections, all these things will be displayed here. Here you can see file outline. We have created introduction, methodology, and numerical illustrations. It is like a preview. So before executing here we can see the preview, how our document structure is available. Okay, this is a document structure. Yes, simulation study I have given data set 1, data set 2, conclusion, references, all this outline is temporary outline will show. Generally this output will come here, but by looking this outline we can understand, okay, these are the documents I have created. This will be useful when we are creating, when we are dealing with a thesis. Easily we can understand, okay, with chapter 1, chapter 2, like that. So for example, if I click here numerical illustrations or real data set, the cursor is moving here. See, data set 1, yes, cursor is moved to 19 line. Let us say simulation study. If I click here, the cursor is moving 21st line. Okay, automatically from here outline also we can tag that, we can tackle that, we can catch that line where this section is there. Oh, this will be helpful mainly in thesis writing. Why? Because generally thesis will have more than 100 pages. Some people will write, some people will have write 400 pages. So every time we cannot scroll like this, right? By using cursor. Okay, we have to scroll this by using this button. So instead of scrolling like this, directly if you click on the chapter names, corresponding lines will be, it will take the cursor. Okay, so for example, I will go for introduction. Just I'm clicking introduction. Yes, cursor is taking the introduction. Okay, I will close this one. Now I will work in introduction. Okay, now in introduction, for example, basic font style we will take. Okay, for example, I will write some matter. Otherwise we'll get that any one PDF document matter will get. What we will do, for example, I will show you, uh, let us take, I have already shared this list of contents what I will discuss in this FDP. Same MS Word file I will open. I will create same as it is, how it is there. Okay, otherwise we can take any article. Let it be, we'll go with this. We'll see this one. I will show you. It is opening. Wait, sir, I hope you are understanding what I am discussing.
Sir, excellent, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm talking
Excellent.
generally how I will
No, it is
work with.
very good. It is very good.
If you want to change the way of talking and then how the discussions, you let me know. I will discuss.
No,
Okay.
sir, please continue. The flow is very good.
Sir, this is the word file I have sent to the your professor. So these are the topics I will discuss day by day. Okay. It is like in a list format, right? Starting itself, if you are going for list, no, I will think something. Okay. We'll go with any other document. Any word file will think. How word files are there? I will see. My scholar worked some and some word files. I will take the same word files and I will convert into LaTeX. You will easily understand where the files, PDF scholars. Uh, Let us take papers. Declaration of interest is there. This is declaration. As of now, title page. I need some data, at least. I'm searching for data. Coursework. Let us take. We'll create our own. Then I will use my files. Running work. First paper. MROC. Let us take general files. Here is not available. Paperwork and then papers publishing or papers will take. You understand? We'll take one. This is also research report, right? I want something. What I'm trying is, we got Journal of Biostatistics and Epidemiology. Let us take main text. I will take. Sir, you can ask, sir. I have no, sir. Now you are discussing about LaTeX, but earlier I have already worked with MS Words. Is there any ways to convert my MS Word file into LaTeX? Yes, easily. Just you know, no need to worry about it. Just copy paste. If you copy paste, also easily it will accept. But wherever the mathematical symbols are there, and if you references there, you have to take a little care. Why? Because directly symbols will not be displayed in our LaTeX. Okay. For example, let us take. I will copy this abstract. Okay, this is my article. Let us take one or two lines. I will just copy. First two three paragraphs I have copied. Control C. Now I am going to my LaTeX. Instead of going offline, we'll go online. Both are same. Okay, in section one. Okay, now what I will do, I will remove all sections. I don't want any section. I want introduction. In that introduction, just I will place my what the topics I have. Here we have abstract, right? Let us take. We'll remove this introduction. We'll use abstract. Okay, my abstract is there. See here, one more advantage is that in overlay in offline LaTeX, we have to use always double slash to go for new line. But in LaTeX here in overlay, we don't want to give double slash. Particularly, if you want to give, you can mention. No, sir, I will not give double slash. I will give one blank line is nothing but that is also will consider as a new line. Here, the abstract I have. Generally, in our LaTeX offline, here you can give double slash. Then it will go for new line. Am I right? So no need to worry about that new line. So just I will close this double slash. I will give one blank line there, which means that now 13th line will consider as a new line. Okay. Now, as of now, I will remove this introduction also. I will show you how I'm going to create. Okay, this is my two paragraphs I have copied from Word file. Now I'm just compiling. Yes, document is complete. There are no any type of errors. As of now, I did not get. Now here you can see abstract you got. Generally, this abstract should be in the middle, right? Generally, abstract all the title will be in the middle. So I won't take this as a middle. What you will do generally? So here you have to mention, you have to use one code that is slash begin center. Center is nothing but the text will be sent displayed in center. Slash begin center. I will copy and cut this one. I will paste it here. That's it. Now I will close this new line. Now I will enter this one. Now you see abstract is coming in the center. Now generally what you will do, sir, this abstract should be in the underline and bold also, sir. How can I give bold and underline? So you select this text, you can go here B bold. The text will be displayed as a bold. You can select this I, text will be displayed I. Otherwise, if you know very well about Word, generally what sometimes we'll use Word shortcut keys, right? The same shortcut keys will work here. We don't want to run newly. For example, what is the shortcut key to bold text? Control B will work. Just I have selected the data, pressing Control B. Yes, once I press the Control B, here you are getting the code. What is text BF? BF is nothing but bold. The text what I'm going to, that is it should be in the bold. Text BF. Just that's it. Now you can see the text is bold. Yes, bold we got. I want abstract in italic. Again, I'm selecting text abstract. Control I. Either you can click here, otherwise Control I. Otherwise, you can type slash text IT. IT is nothing but italic. Control I. See, now I got shortcut key. Control IT. So Control I. That is slash text IT. It is a italic as well as bold. Both will get. Now I will running again. Now see here abstract. If you want to maximize, you can maximize this one. Here you can this zoom in zoom it. So if I maximize this one, here you can see this one. Yes, abstract. Now you can see automatically we got abstract by giving this code bold and italic. Now this is my abstract. Okay, in this work univariate like underline also you can give what are the things you want to give, you can give. Now in this work univariate multivariate I have given some introduction. Now for example, let us take here generally while writing abstract we will give some italic words, right? Starting I mean new concepts. Receiver operating characteristics, receiver ROC. It is generally in my research area. This should be in the italic. Okay, just I'm selecting the document word and Control I. Yes, that will come in a italic format. And let us say finite mixture models. I'm going to use some bold values. This is my it is one of the important concept. Control B. Yes, now you can run this one. Here you can see fire receiver operating character ROC is in italic and finite mixture models is in the bold. And here generally for my system I have taken that I mean I have installed the Grammarly. That's why you are getting this red color and all. Don't think about that red colors will be shown overlay will not show the red colors or anything. Okay, I have used Grammarly for my articles. That's why automatically the Grammarly account is applied for all the applications. Wherever I am typing some documents, wherever I am typing some text, automatically it will suggest some Grammarly. Okay, that's why it is coming. There are some grammatical mistakes are there in this article, in this abstract. That's why it is suggesting please change. Okay, that's why it is giving finite something it is suggesting, but general overlay it will not suggest. Okay. Okay, next I will give one more line. Just the keywords will be the next line, right? See here in the output, keywords are connected to the abstract. This should be in the new line, right? So that's I have given one new blank. Now I control B. Yes, it's coming the new line. We'll execute this one. Yes, keywords. I want, sir, I want some space between these two values, sir. Here abstract is very fine, sir, but keywords, this keywords line, it is started as a paragraph, which means that it before gives some space. I mean, some one tab space is given starting of the line. I want this keywords in the starting of the line. Yes, we can give. Also, if you want to create a one line space between these two lines, that is abstract and keywords, you can give. See, here I will give. First, I will remove this tab. Okay. Here keywords are there, right? Keywords I have given text BF. Here you have to use no indent slash no indent slash no indent is nothing but, sir, this is not a paragraph. Generally if you start a paragraph, the paragraph will start after one tab, right? See, like this, over the past 7 decades, it is a one tab space and then it is starting as a paragraph. No, sir, I don't want to take like that paragraph space. Directly I have to start from starting line itself. Yes, that is our code is no indent. We are not giving any indent. Okay, if you run this one, this will come to the starting stage. Now see, keywords is coming to the first starting of the line. Now I want some space between these two values, right? Here you give double slash. Now you understand. If not getting, then we can use H space. Yes, it's working luckily. See, if I give double space, which means that this double space indicates the new line. Again, we have a blank space that is also indicates a new line. So two new lines are, that's why it is getting one line space we got. Same situation I have to do for my introduction also. So here I don't want to do anything. It is introduction, right? Directly you can give section introduction. So here you don't want to give space. Why? Because section is automatically will be displayed in the new line. Okay. So just I'm clicking compile. Now you can see here. Yes, see, you don't want to, I have not given any type of double slash or space with a single line space or blank line. I have never mentioned anything. Directly I have used section. Yes, section will be displayed in the new line in the one introduction over the past decades. Clear? Sir, is this clear?
It's very clear.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Yes,
like
sir,
this,
clear.
you can copy paste of all your word comments or comments into your LaTeX. Okay. Yeah. Then we'll take. I will go to the PPT. So that basics of LaTeX. This is general document. We'll see the PPT. I have prepared one sequence. What the files we have to discuss day by day. That things I will discuss. So basics of LaTeX. Yeah. Wait. It's loading. My suggestion is that if you want to learn LaTeX keenly, like that, for example, if you want to go somewhere and you have to teach LaTeX to some people or your students, I mean, keenly, if you want to teach and learn, go with offlines. Because offline, we have to write all the codes. It will not by default suggest, it will suggest something, but we have to write all the codes, each and every line we have to write. And the code will execute when all the codes is proper. When even a single line is error, the code will not display, the code will not run, it will stop at the error and it will not show any type of output. That is the problem. So that what you will do, you will learn how to solve that error. If you solve that error, automatically you are learning LaTeX. That is one biggest advantage if you're going offline. You will learn how to handle the errors and also you will solve the errors, you will get the output. But in online, so it is online, right? So it will suggest us. So here you have error, you have to take some remedy. Even that error is there, I will manage. If the where the error is there, that line or that command only I will not display. Rest of the comments are correct, right? So I will display. What you will do? You will ignore that error. Okay, only one comment, one line or one comment is not working. Right? Let's remove that one. We'll go with this remain rest of the document. So like that, you will do. You will think sometimes because of what I felt starting days. So that's why I'm saying if you want to keenly observe everything, you have to understand everything, you have to run with properly, with you have to learn how to solve the errors in LaTeX also, then go with offline by downloading. But the problem is that again you have to save all the files, you have to take into pen drive or you have to save in your mails and you have to go if you're going anywhere, you have to take all the files and you have to open there. You have to install their LaTeX and all this. But if off online, again some advantage. That is you don't want to remember your codes and you don't want to save, you don't take your files to anywhere. Even in your mobile phone also you can open overleaf document, overleaf website, you can log in your credentials, easily you can manage, easily you can change all your LaTeX within the mobile phone itself immediately. If you're sitting inside the conference hall and immediately we can change one or two lines or any headings you want to change, immediately you can heading change the mobile phone and in the mobile phone itself you'll get download, just send that download file to anybody. That is one of the biggest advantage. There are some advantage, disadvantage both the sides. In which side you want, you can take, no issues. Okay. My case, when I was doing PhD at the starting days, I worked in offline. Why? Because I want to learn LaTeX. I don't want to depend on anybody. So I want to remember all the commands in my mind so that I will be a little bit will go with expertise or advantage like that. So I worked with on offline. So every time I'm sitting, I was typing articles and I'm taking some of the already published articles I will download. How this article is entered, the same structure I will enter, and then I will get the output, same output. Then I will feel satisfied. Yes, I know LaTeX. I have learned. Then I came to overlay. Why? Because once we know everything in the comments, then every time I want to go anywhere, so I don't want to carry right. So now I know everything in the LaTeX, which means that okay, then I'm going for online. In the online, I will create my credentials. There, my files are there. Wherever I will go, I will open. If suddenly if my research supervisor calls, Shiva, I have this document, I have some problem. Here, can you modify? What is this? It is not running. Then immediately I will open in my mobile phone itself. I will do errors. I will modify. Then I will say immediately send. That is the advantage. Nowadays, I am following. Okay, that is my experience. It is up to you. No need to follow say as it is. It is up to you. However you want, you can follow. Okay. Basics of LaTeX, we stopped here. Now here we are discussing, see here, the same thing what I have shown offline and online, both the same PPT I have prepared here. Slash document class, here options, you can give A4 size, what the color you want, what the text you want, which type of text you want, either you want Times New Roman, Calibri, everything you have mentioned here. And class is nothing but here you can see the options. Either you can create a book, or you are going to create an article, or you are going to create a thesis, letter, report. If you mention a particular class, the entire LaTeX will be ready for that class. For example, if you are creating a thesis, the document LaTeX will ready for thesis. Yes, the candidate is asking for thesis. We have to prepare some chapters, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that. Default, it will suggest us. Or if you are going for letter, in the letter does not require any sections, right? Generally we'll give right side, left side addresses, and subject will make, and something will give some matter, at the end we'll give thanks. That's it. Like that, the LaTeX will decide and will show us templates how the document will be prepared. Okay. Next, see this one. Options I said, right? Either you can give 10 pt, the size of 10 pt, or 11 pt, 12 pt, like font size you can decide in the options here. Letter paper or A4 paper. I have used A4 paper. Generally, we are using A4 paper only. That's why I have used A4 paper. And either you want two columns, otherwise, your art sometimes articles they will call two columns matter they want. They will ask the template. Our templates are publishing two columns. Please convert your article into two columns. Yes, if you mention two columns, text will be displayed in two columns. That's it. Two-sided you want landscape, not in a vertical. I want landscape, draft, all the double spaces you want, you can create. Use this all options in your within the square brackets. Here is flower brackets is nothing but we have our class, article, thesis, report, letters, like that. Here, section comments and table of contents. See, chapter, slash chapter, you can give title, slash subsection, or slash section, slash subsection, slash paragraph if you are giving. Generally, no need to use this slash paragraph. Automatically, if you are given one part text there, automatically LaTeX will consider as a paragraph. Particularly, if you want to mention is a paragraph, you can mention paragraph. Okay, sub paragraphs, all these things will be created. And see, this is the advantage slash table of contents. Oh, here, single line slash table of contents. You have created many number of sections, many chapters. Now you want to every time what you will do in the words, section 1, we will take one paper and we'll check that section 1, it is in the first page, section 2, it is in second page, section subsection in section 2 is it is in third page. Like that we will note make a note of all the sections in page numbers. Then we'll go in the first page, we'll take a one table. In the table we'll give three columns. One is serial number, title of the section, and then page number. Like that we will create, right, one table, and there we will enter. And suddenly, if you want to change, if you want to include one or two pages, or if you want to one or two pages remove, then again you have to go for table of contents. There you have to disturb all that page numbers. That is the biggest problem generally in preparing thesis. But if you're using the LaTeX, just a single line slash table of contents. After preparing all the sections, all chapters, just use this command slash table of contents. I will show you tomorrow. Otherwise, in one or two coming to the days, because I will go with thesis also. I will show you. So in the thesis, just if you use this table of comments, automatically, so where is the section, where is the page number, what is the page number, where is the chapters, what is the page number, automatically by default it will be created one table. We don't want to worry about it. And if you change suddenly any one or two pages, if you add, if you delete, automatically it will adjust. We don't want to worry about that. Okay. The single line code, table of contents, that's it. See, this is text environment. Okay, I use a right earlier, just I have used one thing, right, for making the abstract in the center. What I use slash begin center slash the end center. So this is the command I have used, right? So like that we can use many things. Slash begin comment. So if you want to give any comment, that comment should not be printed in your LaTeX. You can use here I will show you. I will go LaTeX. I will show you. This is LaTeX, right? For example, this is the abstract I have entered here. Now, for example, I want to make some note about this abstract. So let us take this is general abstract, and I want to change, for example, and I want to check one more time. For example, I want to check it once again. I have given something like this because this is my general text. I want to remember this one. Okay. Now you can comment this one slash begin comment, end comment. This line will not be displayed. Okay, it is general for our understanding for our commenting line. No, sir, I don't want to use begin comment in end comment. Is there a shortcut key? Means yes, you can use one shortcut key, that is percentage symbol. You can here see, once I use this percentage symbol starting of any line, that line will not be displayed in our LaTeX. See, if I run this one, you can see here now itself the color is changed, blue color. This means this line is not original document. It is just understanding purpose. Here you can see. After this abstract, keywords are there. So here abstract keywords are there, but there is no any described line. This is for my understanding purpose. Okay, commenting lines. We can comment the lines. We can write whatever you want for our understanding purpose. All this text will be there. If you give percentage, that will treat it as a commenting. Otherwise, you can use this code. What is this? Slash begin comment, end comment. Next, begin quote, end quote. This is generally does not require quotation. You can use our quotation symbols. Okay, right? Already we know quotation symbols, double quotation, single quotation. Already we have keys. Directly we can enter. Next, begin quote or begin quotation, verse. All these things we can use. Here they mention. Here I have mentioned one thing. See, if we type now, use you see a quote slash begin quote using LaTeX is always fun. Slash end quote. So between begin quote and end quote, this text is there, no. So the text is like coming in quotation, like italic. So we will get this output like this. And now see here, LaTeX is not like other WordPress. See, for example, let us say this is an article title. I want to take LaTeX and introduction. Author name, I have used some author name and some date and content. So if you want, already I have created this document. Here I have just mentioned how the template will be there. Okay, see, if you want to get this output, an article type output, so we want to type all these documents. This is already I have shown to you. So document class, begin document, end document, make target. So once I click this one, that output, so we'll get this output. Already I have shown this output in overlay both offline and online. Is an author who developed this LaTeX programming language, Donald E. Knuth. Nuth. Okay, Donald E. Nuth. He was developed this okay in the year of 1982 itself. Hello. Hello. Someone is talking.
Yeah, no. Remove.
Okay. Text formatting. This is the request, sir. Text formatting. Sir, can I forward or do you want to stop?
Sir, stop, sir, for today.
Today stop. Oh, okay. And then we'll take this text format for next
Tomorrow.
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 Sir, I hope you understand what is the
Yes,
basic.
sir. The reason is we will practice today.
Yeah,
This one.
fine. No issue.
Please, one by
Thank
one
you.
you ask so that. Please, one by one.
Yes, sir. If you have any doubts on this, either offline, online, you
No,
can.
sir, everything is fine. It's very good explanation. So we follow easily. Today we will practice this session and tomorrow we will continue.
Okay, sir. Fine.
Thank you very much, sir. Seva, sir. I'm
Yeah.
Ram Prasad from Gayatri Vidya Parishad, Vishakhapatnam.
Fine.
Thank you very much.
I'm going to stop my presentation, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. You can ask anything. Anything means regarding to our LaTeX.
Sir, today we will download and install the software LaTeX
Yes, sir.
and make
Yes.
text as well as along with the TextMaker.
Yeah.
Only thing is, if you save this code to my mail, so that we can look into that, so that we can understand more and we will put in practice.
Okay, sir. Sir,
I think it is better. Otherwise, even you can save PDF code.
sir. What the PDF I have created, that PDF I will share
Yeah.
directly now onwards, now itself. So
Yeah.
you just there already by default everything is there. Just copy the code and paste. You will easily you will get that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
I will
Thank
forward now
you.
itself, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
one
yes,
more
sir.
thing,
Thank
sir.
you.
Sir.
So, sir said that the recording is also will also send. So it is more useful.
Everyone in WhatsApp group, please don't worry.
Okay.
You please
Recording, sir.
ask
Recording
any doubts
also.
regarding today's session.
Recording of the class.
Sir, are you talking with me?
Yeah, don't
Yes,
worry.
sir.
The recording
Recording of
section
the
will be
class
sent.
is also available. He said that the principal sir said that we will send the recording also. It's very good.
Yeah. Now okay. Now okay. Someone has unmuted it.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, sir, Shiva sir, I think that today's session completed.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, with your permission, I am asking the participants, if anyone have doubts today, you can please raise and ask. Don't worry
Yes.
that about recorded session and today's PPT, I will share you in the group
Okay.
after receiving from the speaker, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir, I think no one has raised issue. We can leave, sir, with your permission.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We'll meet tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
So, thank you,
Very
sir.
nice session,
Sir,
sir.
thank you
Thank you.
very much, sir. Seva, sir, thank you very
Someone
much.
is there. Sir, like bold and italic, how to use underline. Sir, slash underline.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you. With your usual words only, sir. Slash underline you can use directly.
Okay, Shiva sir.
Yes,
Shall
sir.
we wind up this, sir?
Yeah, sir. Fine.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you very much, sir. Thank you, participants.